left, drop it. Drop it. Very good. So I'm gonna start right at the top here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try to go down the shoulder here. Behind here. Any pain as I do this here?
No.
Okay, let me know if I hit a real tender spot, okay?
Okay.
Start with the arms down by your side. There we go, very good. So I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, please. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. Nice. I'm gonna roll you back here. Got a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Good release. How'd that feel?
Oh, actually,
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. So you're gonna feel me do a little tug here, okay?
mm-hmm.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and put your toes down for me. Just relax it. Same thing here. Just relax the leg. Same thing here, just relax it. Head towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. Just relax it. Drop the head to the left, drop it. Wow.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Yeah. It felt like it released a lot of pressure right there.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Here. Just relax that shoulder. Just do me a favor and drop the head to the right, drop it. Wow. Whew. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Good release there. How's the back and tension feeling?
Oh, it feels a lot looser, yeah.
Good, good. All right, cool.